Well, the great blizzard of February 7th, 2025 turned out to be a nothing burger. If you can see out there, that's our front yard. I'm just looking to see how much snow we actually got. And that's the grass poking through. And there's the road. So all in all we really got was a dusting. There's not even enough to really take the snowblower out. But, you know, I learned a new skill. I got it fixed so it's ready for when we do get snow. All in all, it was a good thing, but today I'm not even going to use it. Is it live or is it Memorex? And some of you may be old enough to remember that tagline or that slogan from Memorex. It would say it's been a while. But Memorex made cassette tapes. And again, I'm hoping there's a few of you who know what a cassette tape yet is out there. I think most people, do young people know what cassette tapes are these days? Anyway, it doesn't matter. My point is, when Memorex came out with a particular brand of cassette tape, their marketing line was, is it live or is it Memorex? And their point was, their voice recording had gotten to the point where you couldn't tell if it was a human voice or if it was a recorded human voice. Well, we've advanced a little bit since then. And yesterday, ByteDance, now, yes, ByteDance is the same company that owns TikTok. ByteDance also has video generation through AI. Now, their latest tool that was just announced is called OmniHuman-1. OmniHuman, and then I'm guessing version 1. Now, what I'm about to show you is really remarkable. And what it used as its source to generate this video was a single still image and an audio file.
What would art be like without emotions? It would be empty. What would our lives be like without emotions? They would be empty of values. So a famous classical poet said, "We hate and we love. Can one tell me why?" Catullus. Science does not answer why questions.
Now, I made a prediction a while ago that AI would get to the point where it would replace streaming entertainment. We'll see if that still comes to fruition. But this is getting one step closer to that. If you can take a still image, a little bit of audio, feed it into an AI that generates video, give it some direction on what you want, and this is the quality that it produces, that is truly amazing. Now think if I took a still image of my favorite characters. Maybe it's superheroes like Batman or Star Trek characters, or even maybe family photos. Mixed them all together and told AI I want to generate a story where the characters all assemble together and go on some adventure. And it just does it based on the photos and the audio that you have uploaded and given it, and away it goes. The future of entertainment is going to be mind-blowing. And I guess I'm looking at it through rose-colored glasses, because if you think about this kind of technology and what it could mean to the world if it's not used for things like fun or enjoyment, and it's actually used in nefarious ways, those could be some scary times. And just think about possibilities like when we get to artificial general intelligence, or AGI, combine that with voice replication and then immediate AI video generation. Think what we could do. That Einstein character could become your Jarvis, somebody from a family photo or video that you had previously. If you had both a picture and a voice file from that person, and if you didn't have the voice file, you could use something else. But you could recreate somebody who lived back in the 1800s who was a family member and is now your personal Jarvis, your personal AI. The next few years are going to be really, really interesting. And it's moving along so fast, it's just incredible.
And I know about this because I had the opportunity to stand on top of the Olympic podium and feel the weight of that gold medal around my neck.
Boring is easy. Everybody can be boring, but you're gooder than that. Life is not a game, people. Life isn't a cereal either. Well, it is a cereal. And if life is a game, are we on the same team?
Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends at the table, blowing shots, drinking fast, and now we talk slow. We come over and start up a conversation with just me, and trust me, I'll give it a chance. Now take my hand.
Parce que j'ai toujours habité à Paris et dans tous les cas, j'aime beaucoup la capitale, il y a tout.
But how do we produce food without destroying nature? How do we deliver to 10 billion people affordable, nutritious, and sustainable food?